Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to create this responsive portfolio website using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. The source code is available in the description. If you like the content, please do like, share and subscribe and try to visit the channel. There are tutorials, line by line tutorials. Uh, you can learn the front-end web development and there are a lot of projects are available on the channel. Try to visit the channel for more amazing content. Now let's go through each and every section. Right now we are in the home section. You can see I have aligned the nav bar here by using this button, menu icon, the desktop version also. You can see the hover effect on each and every section. Then you can close the nav bar here. Then we have the text and we can see the hover effect and change in the icon, the arrow icon. You can see it will move towards upside when you hover onto it. And you have a down arrow button to go to the next section. Then we can go to the next section is the portfolio section. You can see the hover effect. It tells what that project is and what which domain it is from. And you can see we can also by using the swiper we have added more projects here. Then you can go to the professional skills section. You can see the image right side revealing. You can see the bar effect of the skills proficiency percentage. And then we can see the education and experience timeline. You can see how we have aligned them. Then we have the pricing for each and every service. You can see the icons, integration of icons, as well as you can see the hover effect. Whenever we hover onto it, the color changes, and box shadow effect. You can see like a 3D box, 3D button. You can see the box shadow effect. And then we can go to the contact section. You can see we integrated the icons as well as the form. Whenever we hover onto the button, the color also changes as well as the arrow mark will shift towards upside. This entire website is done using HTML, CSS and JavaScript, and it is very beginner friendly. The website is also available in mobile and tab version also. This website is entirely responsive. You can see this is the desktop version. Now let's go to the mobile version. This is the mobile version. You can see how neatly they have aligned. Then you can also see the menu bar, drop down menu section, and see how neatly the transition is taking place. That is movement from one section to another section. And this is the tab version of the website. You can see how neatly they have aligned, taking the space properly. The menu bar. The source code is available in the description. If you like the content, please do like, share and subscribe. And definitely try to visit the channel for more amazing tutorials and designs. There are a lot of designs available, lot of projects, not just portfolios. We have travel websites, movie websites, and you can learn front-end web development. And we have also added line by line coding tutorials to explain you each and every line in the making of this portfolios or websites. Try to visit the channel. The source code is available in the description. If you like the content, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to create this responsive travel website using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. The source code is available in the description. If you like the content, please do like, share and subscribe. Now let's go through the website. Right now we are in the home section. You can see the about, services, tour and contact. You can see the glass morphism type navbar here, and you can see the login button and you can see the hover effect on it. And you can see we have added date, year and time for searching. Then we added the boxes to let know the information about the total customers, years of experience, total destinations and average rating. You can see how neatly we have overlined with our home page image, and you can see the box shadow effect clearly giving a professional look to your website. Then we can go to the next section. Here you can see the hover effect on the image as well as the box shadow effect around the image and curved images also. And next we can go to the one click for you. You can see here, find your destination. You can see I have added the icons here, and then we can go to the tourist destinations. You can see we have added the hover effect as well as we have included the star as for the rating, and we have given the name here. You can see clearly a very professional website. Then we have the blog section. You can see the hover effect and information, and you can see the box shadow effect around it, and you can see the hover effect on the button, giving a very 3D look on hover. Then you can see the footer element. You can see the hover effect on them, and you can see the submit as well as the social media icons. So this entire website is made using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. It is a very beginner friendly project, but a very professional project that you can add into your uh, professional resume for your recruiting purposes. It will be a very good impression to your recruiter. And this entire website is responsive. That is, it is also available in mobile as well as in tab version. Now let's go through the mobile version. Show you the mobile version of the website. You can see this is the mobile version of the website, and you can see the menu bar on the top bar. You can see how neatly aligned menu bar we have. Then you can go to the next section. You can see perfectly aligned each and every section, each and every image is perfectly aligned with the screen size of the particular device. That is nothing but the responsive web design, which is one of the very important web design concepts that everybody should learn about, because it gives a very professional look to a website as well as it gives a very good opinion to the recruiter that you are also making sure that your website is also available in all other devices like tab, mobile, laptop, desktop. This is one of the best features that any website builder or any web developer should have. And if you like the content, please do like, share, and subscribe. There are a lot of tutorials available on the YouTube channel. A lot of personal portfolio websites are there, food websites are there, restaurant websites are there, travel websites are there, entirely made using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript and React JS also. So entirely front-end development is available on my channel, YouTube channel. Definitely try to visit the channel. If you like the content, please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.